Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the vegetable drawer cover frame in a GE refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new vegetable drawer cover frame. This vegetable drawer cover frame is located at the bottom of the refrigerator. It serves as the base for the glass shelf and supports the two vegetable drawers. The main reason to replace the cover frame is if it breaks and won't stay in place, or won't allow the drawers to slide in and out. To get to the part, we need to open the door. Let's pull out the vegetable beans. Pull straight out, lift up a little bit, and remove it. Then the second one, same way. Now I'm going to reach in from underneath of the glass, push it up, and I'm going to pull it from underneath here, and then we're going to remove it. Now I'm going to remove the frame. I'm going to pull up the front end and take it out. This is the old vegetable drawer cover frame next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. All right, I'm going to install the new frame. Place it back, and then we're going to lock it on the pins here. Next, I'm going to put the glass in. I'm going to place the front end first. And we're going to push it forward. And I'm going to support the glass and put it down. And now I'm going to place the two vegetable beans in. Place it on the rails and slide it in. Same thing here. If you notice that the new frame doesn't have this two humidity controls, adjustable sliders, don't worry, the design is changed and it's going to work just fine. And now when we're done, we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.